Good evening to all the students. Today, in the previous class, we discussed about the broadly costing, cost accounting and cost accountancy broadly. But today I am going to say detail about the what is meant by costing, cost accounting, cost accountancy, which are very important for a costing student. First one, the costing. According to IMA UK, the technique of and the process of ascertaining costs. Ascertaining cost means knowing of cost of production, cost of unit or service. So, under that, this technique contains 3 steps are there, 3-4. One, collection. This will be done, data collection it is called. This will be done through the vouchers, bills paid, wages paid, and bills received, receipts, etc. From that documents, they will collect the costs. Then classifying. The costs are not same type. They should be classified according to their nature. Material will be different, wages will be different, other expenses will be different. They may be fixed and variable, etc. They should be classified. Then after, which are in general form costs are there. They should be recorded and using different methods. And recording purpose, use the different method means in accountancy you know very well. There is double entry system and single entry system, only 2. You know that, financial accounting. But in costing contains different methods. According to nature of production. That is, unit costing is there, similar type of quantity. Cement industry and other type of, which are contain same type of output comes. Brisk industry, cement industry, etc. But some are there in process form. Later you will get what is my process. One example I will say to you. For example, sugar purpose. First input is sugar cane. That will be crushed. They found out the juice. That will be boiled. They will get the jaggery. From the jaggery they will get the sugar. These are the process contained. Or you can take textile industry also. There is cotton process, then weaving. And weaving, after that there is bleaching and coloring is there. Then after comes the outside as a cloth. So these are called steps in that. After recording, by using different methods, further step is that general expenditures are there in the organization. What are they? One or 2 examples I will list to you. Rent of the building. It is not paid for a particular center. Total area, on the basis of that building, total amount of interest rent will be paid. And all machines and buildings are insured. Insurances will be there. These are rented for all centers and units. That's why they should be apportioned, distributed and allocated. Furtherly, this thing we will know in further education. Then after that we can know the cost of production of a unit. Unit means cell phone or TV set or watch, per watch, etc. And the services. Services means what? You can take per plate meal. Transport industry, what contains? Per kilometer. These are called provide the services to us. That used for with the revenue also. How much you are getting the revenue with that particular unit. They both are compared to know the profitability of that particular activity. Whether we got the profit or we got the loss. So students, we may conclude costing involves using of principles, rules, methods for recording of the transactions to knowing of the cost of production and knowing of the revenue, profit or loss also. So this is the main thing contains in the costing. Please remember, rules and regulations are there. They should be utilized. On that basis we have to record. We cannot record by as we likes. We should follow the whatever the methods are there. Right. Cost accounting means what? We are going to discuss now. Simple thing, nothing in the cost accounting contains converting of costing data into statistical form. What is statistical form? You know very well, while a student. They are made in the form of statements, comparative statements, pictures, diagrams, etc. That will be used by the management to take the decision for cost control purpose. Before knowing of the cost accounting process, we have to know the 3 words which are very important for us. One is cost, second is cost unit, then cost center means what? If we know these 3 words only, we can get easily. For that, the first cost I completed to you. What is that? Getting of something, paying something to that purpose. That is called cost. suppose you have purchased a cell phone, paid 10,000, that is the cost. Okay? And cost unit, it is nothing but a convenient form. We are saying the volume means quantity of a product. On that basis, price will be decided, cost will be decided. That may be kg, that may be liter, meter, thousand, dozen, etc. Take an example. Meaning it is according to ICWA, unit of product. What we are producing. The unit is what? Kgs, liters, dozens, thousands, gallons, etc. Or service. Service means what? Hotel industry, per plate meal. In hospital, what they will say? Per patient per day. That will be their unit. Time, sometime context time also. Operating industry you have to say. Transport industry operating per hour. Some engagement is in a car, etc. They can say per hour this much I will charge. That way can. Or you can take example cell phone. Cell phone charge how it is contained per minute. And which cost may be ascertained. That purpose we will use the ascertained. And the further examples are here I am giving. Bricks industry unit is per 1,000 cost. They will say not per unit, they will say per one single. They will say the 1,000 is the unit. And then in the case of shoes industry, per pair, not per one. It is only per pair this much we will charge. We will say that. Then in the case of textile industry, what context? Per meter. Have you understood? These are the number of ways units are there. From that we have to utilize. Oil industry, what do you say? Liter, gallons, etc. Okay, you understood now? Right. After discussing about the cost unit, we are going to know cost center meaning. According to CIMA UK, a location, a person or item of equipments or including three also, it is called center. That is for which the cost may be ascertained used for the purpose of control. The word is control. Control is possible only one person, responsible person is given as a head to the center. Is maybe called manager. Generally, works manager, sales manager, personal manager, administrative manager, etc. For every center, then head is the boss is there, and he will be the responsible for the what purpose? Control purpose. He is accountable to the higher authority. Accountable means nothing but responsible to the higher authority, achievement of the goals. That purpose easily purpose only they make the centers. So the centers maybe we can say that is location means on the basis of area they say the departments. Take an example, production department, personal department, store department, power department, etc. departments are there. Office also contains within that also big office is there, big industry is there, another contains within the office also computer department will be there, accounting department will be there, and cash department also will be there. They will look after their own functions. Each one contains head. They will be responsible for this purpose. Which one? Control. How the control will be taken place, that I will say later to you. Then a person. Person means individuals. They are machine operator or otherwise supervisor or otherwise salesman. In the case of sales, they will send the salesman now for different areas, location only. Under that per salesman only they will see the whatever sales he made. Take an example, medical industry, you know very well. In medical industry, medical representative will be there. He will go to every doctor and get the orders. That way they will measure and control. Then about the equipment means what? Machines. Nothing but machines. Machine means what? What type of they want, according to the nature of the industry, they use the machines for operation purpose of converting a raw material into finished goods. They are called equipment. Delivery vans in the sales department. Because say goods are sent to the consumer center with which one? Vehicles, vans. They are also called equipment. Per van also they will ascertain the cost also. This way it is called a cost center. Or group of. Group of means number of machines look at by only one operator, maybe there 2-3 machines also operated by one operator, machine operator, and number of operators you look after by the supervisor. This way also they can do together also. It can be possible. And sales also not in one place, it may be north, east, south, etc. Mixed will be there. North manager, east manager, sales manager, this way they will allot the responsibility. This is the meaning of cost center. So, we are already discussed about the cost unit, cost center, which are very important in all chapters also in the costing systems. So, we can clearly know about the cost accounting also furtherly. Now, come to the point of cost accounting. Is a formal system of accounting because system will be there for recording of the transactions. The system should be followed. Systems contains where in the costing. Principles, regulation, rules and methods are there. With that we will prepare. That's why that is what I said. Cost accountancy include the costing also. With costing information only, the data is actually converted into the form of statistical form, shortcut. Total data of 1 year also or 1 month or 3 months also converted to statistical form. Statement, X product, Y product, sales minus expenditure, profit. So, that department will know how much profit got by X product and Y product. They cannot go number of things throughout the. That's why it is shortcut form, converting of data into short form. That is statistical form, diagrams, pictures, comparative statements, etc. They will see that and they will go for which one? Control. Who will control? The head of that particular center. That's what center requires. Center means a person. We discussed about the location or we discussed about the equipment also. One example I will say to you here. Suppose this sales purpose. Sales purpose, they decide the budgeted. This much you have to make this year the sales of the 3 months. They will already be predetermined, informed to south sales, south zone sales, north zone sales, etc. Each manager will be there. They should look after to increase that much of sales to that particular area. So, higher authority can ask him, if the lower comes, they will ask the question, why your sales are less? That particular area is more. Let me the reasons. That is called control. So, from this particular process, you can know that in a cost accounting, costing information converted into shortest form. Data is converted into shortest form and that will put before the management and they will go for this one, which is very important in every aspect, cost control. The controlling process is very, very important for all type of organizations. It may be political, it may be production type of, it may be service type of. Without these steps, it is not at all possible to control. Because when head is there, the head will be responsible for going according to the plans. If they are deviated, then the higher authority will ask him by considering the following steps only everywhere. First step is that standards are predetermined in the form of units or service. Suppose units are 1000 units, they should produce production center within week. That is the standard said to the supervisor. Then second step will be there. Ascertain of actuals. Actuals are ascertained by the supervisor. Then known by higher authority. Supervisor, the works manager will be there. He will see that report. Reports are given by him only. That is in the form of actuals are produced in the week, 800 units only. Then they will see that, find out the deviations by comparing. What comparing? First step standard, second step actual achieved result. Then they will see that there is a negative contains 200 units not produced. They are called finding of deviations, variations. That may be positive or negative. Positive means, for example, suppose 1000 said, but they produce 1500. Extra produced 500. What is the reasons also for that they will find out? Favor also comes, they find out it. What is the reasons for it? But they will consider more on negative. Here 200 units are negative now. They are not produced. That's why they will put the question, find out the reasons for it. What are the reasons? Here contains causes for it. Why it is? Why it becomes a big question to the higher authorities. They will ask to all parties in this particular center. What is the problem? Suppose a worker will say, or that supervisor will say, sir, machines are old machines. Properly not working, machine breakdowns are coming. Repairs are more. Power failures are. Due to that only, the time is losing. Another character is repairs are not being in proper time. No ventilation. Power failure. Due to that, time will be lost. Within a week, number have to be 1 day, 2 days are lost. That's why we are unable to produce. Or workers are not satisfied. Their morale has been disturbed. Why? Why means nothing but because their salary is less, lower, or welfare things are not there, canteen, etc. they will ask. If you provide that, their morale will be high. That's why they will produce the more. Otherwise, not at all possible. These are the reasons getting out lower product, 200 units. So, this after knowing of this, higher authorities will follow this one. Remedy action should be taken. How to control this? Production should be increased. That is the problem. So, what are the problems? They said, reasons are said. They will see that equipment to be changed. Old should be scrapped and get the new equipments. But that requires the capital. Funds are in need. That all they should see. That is very important also. Then otherwise, there should be one canteen also. Or they will transport bus facilities for them. Then only they will satisfy. That also they will see. Or power failure is there. That purpose we have to see. The plant power up, they should alert. Lighting, more lighting we have to arrange. This way they will take the action to reaching to the standard. That is the main important for control purpose. When they know the cost only, the higher authority will take the decisions. Then standard may be revised once again. Sometimes high standard may be given. Our idea may be predetermined, that may be wrong. Our idea may be wrong. Or it is not at all impossible to produce production in 1,000 units. Better make it down 900 units. That way they can revise. This way they will do, and they will finally control a particular activities in the organization. In everywhere it contains. It may be production center, it may be sales center, or it may be admin center, or whatever it may be. Everywhere they contain these particular steps. Another example I can say to you about the sales. Sales is very important for the organization. That is the blood like a blood contains body. If the blood is correct passing, then all parts will be functioning in proper way. If blood is going out, then you will be lost, the parts also. Same way, sales are very important for the organization. More competition is there, more innovations are coming. That's why they will fix the sales south, north, east, some way. Otherwise, districts wise also, Nizamabad district or so and so, Maharashtra, etc., they will do it. Throughout the country also they can do. But sales are more, no problem. Some centers they will get the more sales, some centers they will get the less. What is the reason for less? Competition is very high, the price is very less, new are entered. That's why our product should be reduced, our quality should be changed. This way they will say, they will take the proper steps, and in future the sales may be increased. So this way you have to remember in everywhere how they will take the steps. This is called cost control. So finally we can conclude what is meant by cost accounting. It will take the information of costing, then that will be used for the purpose of control. This is the main thing contained in the cost accounting. Come to the last word, that is cost accountancy. We already informed you. It is a broad word, broad term, area-wise broad contents. It uses the data provided by the cost accountancy, that is data information provided by the costing that will convert into statistical form by the cost accounting. Both are used by the managers, higher authorities, to take the managerial decisions. Decisions may be what purpose? Import, export, raw material purpose, and what we have to do, not do, by machine way we have to do, by labor way we have to do. All decisions are taken by them by comparing about the cost. That is cost control. They will look after. For that decisions are taken. And what purpose the decisions are taken? Due to the limited resources. They should not be wasted. And that utilized in a proper way to maximization of the organization profits. This is the motive of the every management. These are the things contained in the cost accountancy. It's mainly concerned with the decision taking process. What to do, how to do it, anything should be dropped, anything should be newly introduced. These are all things they will consider, taken this and controlled. What purpose? Minimum resource will be there. Everything minimum, no abundant contents. In the country also not concerned, world also, every country faces the problems, either labor problem or capital problem, etc. Due to that only, limited resources are will contain. That should be taken the proper way. Get the more benefits. From that benefits, we have to maximization of the profits of the organization. This is about the cost accountancy. So finally, I clarified about the three words: costing, cost accounting, and cost accountancy.